Good morning, students. Now let us continue with our 23rd chapter Nobel Prize winners. So, Nobel Prize is one of the most the or highest prize we can say in the world. Okay, it is named after Dr. Alfred Nobel, a Swedish scientist who invented dynamite. He left a huge fortune to a trust to establish the prizes. These prizes are awarded annually without any distinction of nationality or creed. These prizes are originally awarded in five fields, namely peace, medicine, physics, chemistry, and literature. Sixth field, economic science, was introduced from the year 1969. Okay, now the highly prestigious prize is awarded in six fields. Okay, so very we can say it is the highest prize. That means it is very famous, and also all the scientists and authors uh, under this field will be waiting for this award very eagerly. Okay, that much it is so famous. So let us see our awardees. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, he became Asia's first Nobel laureate when he won the 1913 Nobel Prize in Literature for his book Geetanjali. Okay, so he was the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize award. Okay, then second one, V. Ramakrishnan. He is an Indian born American and British structural biologist. He won 2009's Nobel Prize in Chemistry studies of the structure and function of ribosome. Okay, yes, Chandrasekhar. He was the nephew of Sir C.V. Raman. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for his work in structure and evolution of stars. Mother Teresa. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. Her main center of activity was Nirmal Hriday. Rajendra K. Pachauri. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2007. He is now serving as the head of Yale's Climate and Energy Institute. Now it's quiz time. First one. He was born on November 3, 1933. He is an Indian economist and a writer of Banks of Sweden Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998. Amartya Sen. Okay. Second one. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1968. He won prize for the interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Hargo bin Khorana. Okay, Khorana. He was awarded the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the molecular scattering of light and for the discovery of Raman effect named after him. So C.V. Raman, who was the founder of the Raman effect, and the effect was named after him. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2014. He was awarded this prize for struggle against the suppression of children and young people for the right of all children to education. Kailash Satyarthi. Now, the next chapter is chief producers. So here, some of the items are given, pictures of the items are given, and we'll see which country is the biggest producer of this. Okay, so fishes. Japan is the most highest producer of fish, and wool is most highly produced in China, and pork and mutton are most highly produced in China. Cattle meat is highly produced in USA. Dairy products are highly produced in Baltic states. Okay, then these are just animal products, and now we'll see industrial products. Aircraft industry is mostly produced in USA. That is, aircrafts are mostly produced in USA, and jute textiles. Jute is mostly produced in India. Paper and pulp industries are most in Canada. Silk textiles are most in Japan, and woolen textiles are most in Russia. Okay. Now let us see some information about mountaineers. The person who climbs a mountain is called as a mountaineer. Okay. He is the youngest male to complete the seven summits, the highest mountains on each of the seven continents. He completed all seven climbs by the age of 21 years and 4 months. Jake Mayer. Okay. She is the first women in the world to have climbed Mount Everest twice. She first climbed the peak in May 1992 and then did it again in May 1993. Santosh Yadav. He is a US citizen mountain climber. He became the youngest person to climb Mount Everest on 22nd May 2010. He was 13 years, 10 months, and 10 days old when he reached the summit. So, Jordan Romero. She is the youngest girl who reached the Mount Everest at the age of 13 years and 11 months on 25th May 2014. Okay. She is an Indian mountaineer. She is the first Indian woman and the fifth in the world to scale Mount Everest. She scaled the peak on 23rd May 1984. She remained on the summit for about 43 minutes. Bachendri Pal. He is a Sherpa who currently holds the world record with oxygen for the quickest climb up Mount Everest. On 21st May 2004, he reached the peak in 8 hours and 10 minutes. Pem Dorji. Okay. He is a Nepali Sherpa mountaineer who holds the record for reaching the summit of Mount Everest most number of times. He made his 21st Mount Everest summit in May 2011. Appa Sherpa. He climbed Mount Everest 21 times. That's really great. Okay. This Nepali Sherpa was one of the two men to reach the summit of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, for the first time. Tenzong Norgay. Now let us see some information about strange places. There are some strange places in this world which we all doesn't know. Most of us doesn't know. Let us see. Okay, Chamarel Falls and the Colored Earth. The Chamarel Falls are three thin waterfalls that fall about 300 feet down a plateau. They are the tallest waterfalls in the married to us. Okay. The colored sand was created from the clay made of lava cooling off at different times. The effect caused the seven different colors of the sand to form. So the earth will be in different colors because of the cooling down like clay of the lava. Okay, lava will be cooled down like a clay and it will change its colors. The travertine pools of Pamukkale. Pamukkale in UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the pools have been closed to tourists that once bathed in their water, save them from further damage. Okay. Then Rio Tinto. The Rio Tinto runs from the Sierra Moreno and mountains down to the Gulf of Cadiz in Huelva, Spain. High levels of iron in the water cause the red coloring of the river. The river has been mined for copper, gold, and silver from ancient times and continues as of today. So here the river's color will be somewhat red. Okay, because of its high content of iron. Okay, then Sanquinchen, Garden of the Gods. A story that told that Mugo, the Lord of the East, wished to create garden for the amusement of his consort Yin and persuaded the four elements to fuse together and created Sanquinchen as a private garden for her amusement. The giant fire center of Darwas. It is most impressive at night and glow from its flames can be seen miles away. The inside of the crater is black from the carbon buildup, and the heat is so intense that it is only possible to stay near the edge of the few minutes. Okay. The Plain of Jars. The Plain of Jars is one of the oldest archaeological mysteries in the Southeast Asia, located on the plateau of Xinghuang in the mountains of Indochina. Each site contains about 1 to 400 jars. It has been estimated that they were created 3000 years ago. See, look carefully. These are the jars, they say. Plain of jars. Jars will be there from 1 to 400 numbers. Okay, in each plateau. The Moraki boulders of New Zealand. It is said by Maoris that some of the surviving crew of the Araituru canoe were turned into stone and became mountains. The Moraki boulders are said to be the pots and chattels from the Cano crystals. The Cano crystals is a river located in the Serrania de la Macarena Mountains. It is filled with waterfalls, rapid wells, and hollows with water so clear you can see all the way to the bottom. The algae in the water produce a riot of color red, blue, green, black, and yellow line rivers. Okay, then the Great Blue Hole of Belize. The Great Blue Hole is located in the Lighthouse Reef, approximately halfway between Long Cay and Sandbore Cave. It is about 60 miles east from the mainland of Belize City. It is a whole heritage site. Okay. Fly Geyser Reno. Fly Geyser features two geysers, that is, one of which is dormant. Okay, the other fly geyser was accidentally formed by the water well drill that hit the geothermal source and continuously sprays hot water. It is a private property and does not allow visitors. Now, about some famous sculptures. Okay, so sculptures can be made by anyone, but if it is becoming famous, then there should be something special in them. Okay, the Bronze Horseman. It was created by the French sculptor Etienne Maurice Falconet. It is an equestrian statue of Peter the Great in Petersburg. St. Petersburg, Russia. Okay, there is a place named St. Petersburg, and there lived a person called Peter. So, his name, that is, the name St. Petersburg was named after him. Okay, so his sculpture was made by the French sculptor Etienne Maurice Falconet. Okay, monuments in the discoveries. This monument is on the north margin of the Tagus River estuary in Lisbon. Tiantan Buddha. It is a large bronze statue of the Buddha Amoga Siddhi, which symbolizes the harmonious relationship between man and nature, people and religion. Winged Victory of Samothrace. It is a marble sculpture of the Greek goddess Nike. It has been prominently displayed at the Louvre. Abraham Lincoln statue. This 6-meter high marble statue is made up of Daniel chest of French and can be seen in Washington, D.C. Equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius. It is an ancient Roman statue in the Campidoglio, Rome, Italy. It is made of bronze and stands 3.5 meter tall. Quiz time. This famous sculpture is made up of bronze and 4,500 years old. It tells about the Indus Valley civilization, the dancing girl. This is a wonderful sculpture of Jesus on his mother Mary's lap after his crucifixion. Okay, it was made by Michelangelo, the Pieta. Okay, this sculpture was made by Michelangelo. It depicts the biblical figure of a known person with horns and his head based on the description in the Vulgate, Moses. Okay, this bronze and marble statue can be seen in Paris. This sculpture made by Auguste Rodin shows man's inner struggles. The Thinker. Assassinations. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, first Bangladeshi president, was assassinated in 1975. The coup was planned by disgruntled Awami League colleagues and military officers who were led by Khondakar Mostaq Ahmad, and they targeted to exterminate his entire. Queen Victoria. In 1840, an attempt was made by Edward Oxford to kill this personality. He fired twice, but both bullets missed. First of all, you should know what is assassination. It is nothing but the murder of prominent person or political figure by surprise attack, usually for payment or political reasons. So, he was killed. He was the first Bangladeshi president and he was killed in 1975. Then the third one, Margaret Thatcher. An attempt was made by Irish Republican Army to assassinate him by detonated a bomb at the Grand Hotel during the Conservative Party conference in Brighton. Rajiv Gandhi. He was killed by Thenmozhi Rajaratnam in 1991 in an explosion triggered by the LTTE suicide bomber. In this first head of the state to be killed by suicide bomber. Benazir Bhutto. She was killed in 2007 while entering a vehicle upon leaving a political rally for the Pakistan People's Party in Rawalpindi, Pakistan. John F. Kennedy. Okay, he was assassinated at Dallas in 1963. Governor Connolly was sitting in front of him in his car. Adolf Hitler. In 1944, Klaus U. Stauffenberg made an attempt to assassinate his chancellor, the Führer of Germany. Quiz time. US President assassinated by John Wilkes Booth in 1865. It was the first assassination of a sitting United States President, Abraham Lincoln. In 1981, this Egyptian president was killed by Khalid Islamboli. Anwar al-Sadat. He was assassinated in 1968. At that time, Jesse Jackson was standing with him. Martin Luther King, Jr. He was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Mahatma Gandhi. She was assassinated by personal bodyguards Satwant Singh and Beant Singh in 1984. Indira Gandhi.